So I'm going to show you how to do the system of equations on your calculator. What I would like you to do is I'd like you to write that down really quick and then go to your calculator and follow along with me. So what we're going to do here is I hope you see this above x to the negative 1, the word matrix. So I'm going to say second matrix. You may have nothing here if it's a brand new calculator, or you may have a bunch of stuff. Don't worry about either. What we're going to do is we're going to scroll over so that we're highlighted under the word edit. And I always edit number 1 so I know which one I'm working with. Now, notice rows. I have 2 rows, so I press 2, enter. And columns, I have 3 columns. So I can see that it looks similar to what my equation looks like. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the coefficients in. So the first one is x, but I have to give it a coefficient. So I press 1, enter, plus 5y equals 19. When I press enter, it goes to the bottom. 2x minus y, make sure you use negative 1. So again, you need a coefficient. You can't just put a minus. Goes to the next one, and that equals 16. I press enter, and I should have all of my coefficients in. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear out, and the way you do that is you press second, quit. I go into the matrix again. So second, right above is the word matrix, and here's the tricky part. Scroll over 1 to map. We're looking for RREF. So not REF, but RREF. Then I press enter. And so now I should see that RREF on the screen. Now all my calculator wants to know what matrix. So I press second matrix, and I choose which one I entered. Well, I used number 1. So now it's saying find the reduced row echelon form, which is going to give me the answer of A. When I press enter, my answer is x is 9, y is 2. So it always goes alphabetically, and it goes straight down. Really, this is just pressing matrix a lot. I'm going to do one more problem with you. So let's go ahead and take a look at something that looks like this. So if you'd write this down. So again, it goes alphabetical. RST, no different than XYZ. So we're just going to do it in order. So hopefully you have this written down. And we're going to do the same process. Second matrix. I'm going to scroll over to edit. But this time, I have 3 rows and 4 columns. Rows go sideways, columns go up and down. So now I'm just going to put them in order. I have R, 1R, 1S, negative 5T equals negative 16. I don't have any R's on the next row, so I put 0 R's. I have negative 3 S's. I have 1 T, and that equals 5. So these are always my R's, S's, and T's. So in the third column, I have 0 R's. I have 0 S's. I have 1 T, that equals 2. Now that I pressed enter, I'm going to clear out. So I'm going to press to find my answer, second matrix, scroll over to math, and again we're looking for RREF. Press enter. It shows up right there. Now all my calculator wants to know, second matrix, is that I plugged into matrix 1. So my R is -5, my S is -1, my T is 2. And that's how you use your calculator to find systems of equations.